Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So welcome to Elim, guys. Welcome to Elim. Elim in St. Elizabeth. So thank you all for joining. Take a tour with Fire Reid. Yes, my people. So we're gonna take a tour in Elim. Drive with care. We love our children. So enjoy the ride in Elim, St. Elizabeth. So on your left you have the North St. Elizabeth Cane Farmers Association. And on your right you have the Agricultural Research. So when you're in Elim, it's about 15 minutes drive to Santa Cruz, and it's also maybe can be 20 and maybe 25 minutes to Balaclava. So on your left, I think you have a primary school there. I think it's Elim Primary School. Yes, people, on your right we have the Sydney Pagan. So school not in session right now, so we're gonna keep on touring. You can see in this area a lot of farming take place. See, they have a lot of hot peppers. So on your right will take you to the Church of God of Prophecy. So we are now traveling in the direction of, we're in the northwest in St. Elizabeth. So if you're coming from Lacovia or Halambambo, you can make a left turn, will take you all to Harton. You can take you right to Elim also. coming from Santa Cruz, you drive through Braze River. If you're coming from Mandeville, you also can drive through Mile Gully. Come straight down to Union and you can make a left turn when you reach the Union Square. You make a left turn, will take you right into Braze River, Elim. Yeah, you can see them corner shop. One thing with Jamaica, always have a corner shop. You can buy a little knicks-knacks, have a cool red stripe beer and enjoy yourself. So yes, the people, when you see the big unit that come, you need to stop and give it away, you know. Big unit, always slow down and give the big unit away. Yeah man, you know say a lot of big unit pass by them road there. A lot of cane all around them side, they transport cane. So yes, the people, Jamaica nice scan done, you know. So we're having some nice weather today in Elim. Yeah man, you can see some coconut tree in the area. Yeah man, for the countryside, you know, you see a lot of coconut tree. Yeah man, see the man them a farm them corn and them plant some sweet corn. So by your left side you have a coconut farm also. So if you want any land to buy in Elim, I see a sign there said land for sale. So if you're interested in any land in Elim, you all can check it out. Acres of coconut tree. Yeah man, the papier come from Ngonga with them pickaxe. Yeah man, work for get him honest bread. By the sweat of your bro, you should eat your, you know? Yeah, man. So remember, we are traveling to in the northwest direction. So look at coconut, my people, on your right hand side. A lot of coconut trees. Yeah, man, them people now ramp up with the land. Yeah, man, coconut like crazy. So yes, some people, that's how, yes, I want to come buy on the fish. So yes, them call it fish farm. So thank you guys for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.